Today I'll solve one numerical problem using goal-seek. So here is the problem. Calculate the molar volume of nitrogen at 300 Kelvin and 50 bar using Virial equation with B is given, B is equal to minus 200 centimeter cube per mole, and C is given, that is B and C are Virial coefficient. C is 240 centimeter to the power 6 per mole square. Now Virial equation is given by B is equal to RT by P into 1 plus B by V plus C by V square. Now we can write this equation, because this equation is nonlinear equation, so we are writing that equation in the form of FV is equal to 0. So here FV is nothing but FV is equal to V minus RT by P into 1 plus B by V plus C by V square is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this equation and we'll get the root of the equation. So here root of the equation will be the molar volume. So V is the root of the equation. So here as you see here, so it is a nonlinear equation, so we have to find out V, and that V will be the molar volume. So now here I have already written all this parameter value. B is nothing but minus 200 centimeter cube per mole, C is 240 centimeter to the power 6 by mole square, P is given 50 bar, T is given 300 Kelvin, and R in terms of bar centimeter cube by mole Kelvin, that is 83.14. Now first we have to calculate V ideal. So we know that VV is equal to nRT. So here N by V. So V by N is actually molar volume. So that PV is equal to RT. So V ideal will be RT by P. So now here I am going to calculate that V ideal. So first we have to put equal sign, and then we have to take R into T divided by P. So we'll get the V ideal. So now here I am plugging the V ideal. So that is I am copying here. So that is the molar volume for V ideal. Now we have to calculate using that ideal gas volume. So what will be the my V value? So FV value. So that we can calculate by using that V minus RT by P into 1 plus B by V plus C by V square. So that is equal to V, then minus, then RT by P. So we have to do that. So here RT means here R into T by P, and then bracket close, into, that will be into, then again first bracket, so 1 plus, then this term will be, so B by V, so this is B by V is here, then next term, then plus C by V square. So I am using again first bracket, and then I put C divided by V square, so that will be square. Now using that ideal, that volume, I am calculating FV. So the FV is this. Now my target is I have to find out such molar volume so that FV will be 0, and that V will be my molar volume. So now what I have to use? I have to use goal-seek. So first here how will I use that? So I have to go to data, and then here if and what if analysis. From here I am just clicking that goal-seek. So now here set cell. So set cell means, so that is my set cell, means FV value, calculating FV value. So that is my set cell. So that will be 0. Okay, by changing this value, so that value should be changed. So I am getting that. Now I am using goal-seek. So goal-seek, so set value is this, and this is my set value, that to value will be 0 by changing this value. So now if I press OK, so now if you see that FV is almost 0. Okay, target value and current value. So current value is 0.004244674, and by changing that value now I am getting so 264.1205.671. So that will be my molar volume. So now here my molar volume is 264.12 centimeter cube per mole. So this is my molar volume. That's it. Thank you.